Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video, and welcome to my kitchen. Now, as you can tell from the title of this video, it's not quite the video I plan to post next. However, there has been a slight delay in the 5 things I hate and love about my car videos because I'm currently dealing with a few health issues, nothing too serious, but it has meant that I haven't been able to get out and film as much as I wanted to. So I thought in the meantime, I would share some clips with you from a car event that I went to just last Sunday, so yesterday. Completely unexpected. I knew nothing about it, but I saw some cars driving past me on the A41 and I wanted to know where they were going, and it turned out they were all heading to an event called Bicester Heritage, Sunday Scramble. I went along, it was incredible. So many cars, there must have been close to 1,000 cars of all different types, and I just completely fanboyed. There were so many different Porsches there were old Ferraris there was old Audi Quattros there, just such a mixture of cars, it was a little bit overwhelming. So I did manage to get some clips, and I'm going to share those with you now. It's around 2 minutes. It's all B-roll, so I know it might seem a little boring, but do try and hang in there because there are some real gems that I managed to get some footage of. So the 5 things I love video I am planning to make this week. So I'm hoping to have that shared and ready to go for you to watch this Saturday. Okay, now I don't see that there are going to be any more delays, but unless I die, the video is going to go live on Saturday. So hopefully, touch wood, I haven't just majorly jinxed myself. But until then, thank you very much for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy this footage from the Bicester Heritage Sunday Scramble show. For those of you who are interested in going to this event, the next one that is currently scheduled is quite a way off. It's in October. I would heavily recommend coming along if you can. But you may also want to check their website. I'll leave a link in the description just in case they decide to host an event a little sooner than October. But that's me done. Until the next video, peace.